Hey, hello everyone. Today we see how to create timesheet application dynamically. Here we go. Vishnu. This is our employees data. Okay, we can search here any user. Okay, we can also add new employee from here. Here are roles assigned to it: admin, developer, and other. If a user has no record, then blank file record will display here. You can see after clicking edit button, the records will display for editing. Okay, on same button, let's we fill up the data and patch or submit our two records for HRM 2127. We go for 2127. You can see two records are here. We can add new record as well. Also add value to it. And also patch the given records. We can also change this record. Okay. On update, now button is changed to update. Okay. On same button, you can do update as well. So record is updating. Okay, done message are get 2144, and also we can filter our data on the basis of the given drop down. This type of scenario we have created. Now we see how I created this employee screen. Okay, on the visible of the screen. Okay, we go on visible property of screen. We are loading the timesheet data in call timesheet employee in call EMP, and on the basis of this, okay, timesheet employee, okay, we are filtering the data with start with function on the basis of name and text input one. Means when we using this search function, okay, on the basis of this name field, okay, this is searching. That's why I search my name. You can see that my name is filtered on the basis of this filter function and this condition we have used there. After all, we go in app on start property. Okay, in app on start we are collect data 2-3 of timesheet data in data 2-3 and set a user email variable and take user email in that variable. Okay, for assigning the role, okay, we use where user role and look up timesheet employees data and checking that user email with user timesheet email with user email and giving the value of role. Means this role group name admin. Okay, and setting variable where button visible to if where user role equal to admin is true or false. Means we are where user role giving the value true and false if it is admin, means making its boolean value. Okay, now we came to the main part. Okay, all functions and controls visibility we have added to this button. Okay, what on this button does basically, first we are using set where v2 but giving name to the variable v2 and loading all the items that are in this gallery that we are selecting. Okay, means if clear first this. Okay, if I pressing on this button, okay, HRM 2139 developer Avinash Raj, okay, then this gallery record items are creating in list record. Means complete this row are storing in where v2. Okay, in this button where V2 all records that are we selecting are going in this. Okay, from where V2 we can take all the details like title, field, its name, ID, HRM ID, other all the informations we can take from where V2. Okay, after that we go for second condition. Okay, what we doing now, we are using clear collect function and filtering our data of timesheet data. Means I will show to SharePoint. This is timesheet data. We have created backend data. I will show the backend. Title means number of hours that are present that user are filling. Okay, 3, 8 for anything. Date and time. Okay, that's auto populate date and time. Here we saving date and time. Drop down value. It is a choice column in our SharePoint. Okay, I will show this to you. This is choice column. 6 choices we are given here. Okay. This column will not required now. Delete this. Delete. Employee ID. Okay. On the basis of this employee ID, okay, you can see here we are loading our call month records. We are creating one record called month records on the basis of this list title column and this gallery item means where V2 comparing with this employee ID title in where V2 title is our HRM ID. Okay, that's why we taken here. You can see we go timesheet employee. Here is a title column. It is our HRM ID column. That's why we comparing that with our record. Okay. After that, what we are doing, we are counting the rows of all month records. Means how much rows are present in that collection for the employee. Okay. If this count rows function means where V4 equal to 0, then we are creating first 5 blank records in that collection. In same collection, we are giving the name of that collection called month record. Same collection name we are giving to the collection and creating 5 blank records. Okay, and after that this collection and for all if condition ends. If is not equal to 0, okay, then we are giving the same information of previous data, means that record that are present in our backend, we are filtering that with employee ID and fetching that record to the call month record. Means when records are not present, the 5 blanks record are created. If record are present, that the records are filtered on the basis of employee ID and type employee ID of the column, and then the records of previous months are displayed to us, and after that we are navigating to the different screen. Okay, and for removing this we are use here, I will go icon. Okay, for removing this we simply use remove timesheet employee this item. On the pressing of remove button, this record will remove. Okay, for adding we are use variable and create a container to the add new employee. Okay, like pop-up functionality. For submitting, this is one simple form and simply submitting the form on the basis of submit button. Okay, now we go to the next screen. For HRM 2139, the records are blank, means no previous records are created. That's why 5 blank records are created. Okay, for the collection for this gallery, we are giving the same 12 months records. collection. Okay, if where 6 is our true or false value, means user when select this thus drop down. Okay, on this drop down we are stated one variable. If where 6, sorry, on this reset button we are use where 6. Okay, if user create this filter on this two drop down on the basis of this condition will work here. Okay, basically what we simply done here, we are filtering the call month record on the basis of two drop down. Okay, that data that the user want to display. Okay, I will show you what we have done here. For now we reset the value. For now here you can see up to 6 records are displaying. We have to see only up to Saturday. Then we go and click P4 and see today's date, 2nd of March. You can see only 3 dates are showing on this between these two drop downs. Okay, the gallery data is same, our collection name, call month record that we are created from previous screen. Okay, same data we are showing to the user on the same screen. Okay, on submit button. Okay, what we are doing on submit button, first before showing the submit button. Okay, for adding the new records to our gallery, first we reset my gallery. For adding the new records to the gallery, what we have done, I will show that. Okay, on this plus icon we are creating a blank record giving collection, same collection name, all month record that are displaying in this gallery. Okay, same collection, and we are creating blank record to that gallery. Okay, on the drop down blank we can remove this drop down as well if we have to remove. Same that, then also same functionality will work here. You can see the blank records are adding. Simple. Okay, for resetting we are use where 6 variable for resetting these two drop downs. Okay, for going back we use back function. Okay, I show. For removing the records we are use simple, we are clearing our collection that are showing in gallery. Okay, and for this single drop down similar we are use remove function and removing this item from our collection. Okay, for checkboxes what we have done. Okay, on we are using clear collect and call selected data. We load call months all the records in call selected. Okay, on the basis of this, if now all records are loaded of this gallery to our call selected, that's why all items are selected. Okay, for removing the records we use on the on check of this toggle, sorry, checkbox, we created a collection giving name collect by using collect call selected this item. Okay, and on check of this button we are only simply removing this item from our collection. Simple we have done here. Okay, so this all is correct, all is clear I think. Okay, now we go for our second formula now. Now we are using fresh scenario here. All things up to that are previous one. Okay, now what we are doing here, we are using first for all function and creating a one collection giving name to that gal all data and creating collection all items, title, date and time, drop down id, emp id. This is our that things that we have to patch our timesheet. Okay. I will show you a title, date, time, drop down, rate, employee ID. The all things are we are taken from our backend or through our gallery and given our names means drop downs to that, and by using loop condition, for a loop condition we are taking and creating a collection gal all data. Okay. After that we are using remove if function to the gal data. If means if user, let's go, if user is not filling the time, okay, this time is required field in our data. Okay, if user is not fill the time, then the all these records are should not patch, correct? That's why we use remove function and removing this remaining records, that's the times is empty, that's all records are we are removing it. Okay, on the basis of remove by using remove if function. Now the main point come here, okay, for patching and editing our gallery records to the SharePoint. What we have done here, okay, we use that for all function for looping, patching our data, use our previous collection that we have created by using for all of these, okay, and removed function from this. Okay, for all we use with function, okay, with function for changing our name of this record. Okay, for all function we use two times, first here and second times here. Okay, for changing the name. Okay, for understanding the canvas app we are not using the upper one's record, we are using different record. That's why I change here Ravindra with this record, and we have to use ID for checking the ID, SharePoint ID column. Okay, that's why we use LCL current ID, this record ID. Okay, now what we are doing here, we are checking if Ravindra ID in timesheet data ID, then patch the given record to timesheet data, and if not, then edit this given data to timesheet data with that ID column. Okay, after that we are using notified done, and we are navigating our screen to the next screen. This simple approach we have done here to patch our data to our gallery. Okay, if someone have some doubts they can reach to me, they can connect with me. That's all about, guys. If you have some questions on the given timesheet, you can ask to me in comment box. Thank you everyone.